So what's up, guys? I'm here once more with another video. So I'm here at Bob Marley Beach, you get me, Jamaica. This is out by Bull Bay side, and I'm trying to see if I can just shoot with the Fuji X-T5 on a film simulation, right, and just post, no editing, just straight out of camera JPEGs. So I'm here with this beautiful model, right, trying to get some nice image. Unfortunately, it was overcast. At the end of this video, I'm going to show you the film simulation I use, and I'm also using two Viltrox lens, no Fuji lens. So I'm using the Viltrox 27 f1.2 and the Viltrox 75 f1.2. Everything was shot wide open at 1.2. I'm jumping between shutter and some ISO at times, but just strictly film simulation, JPEGs, unedited photos, straight from camera. Come a little bit closer to me. Come closer, man, come closer. Yes, be natural like this. So yes, you see right this on the way I do. Like you're playing at the stone and everything. Give me one when you're stoop instead. Yeah. Young sexy man, your belly just look curl up, curl up. No, my belly look curl up, curl up. It was when part, oh, you know cook, you know me talk about. That's why you still sexy. Oh boy. Nice, ready, hold it, look out. One more time. Alright, ready? It's supposed to do some other speak now. Ready? Nice. One more. Look to your left. Alright, coming in closer. Keep that. Ready? Step back a bit. Alright, look at me. Yeah, keep that. Ready? You love hands, you know? Everyone you want to find some form of fucking hands. Alright, keep this. Still on here. Alright. Look here, right? We're gonna try the something one more time. Step over to your left.
You ever go in the water?
Yeah, regular swim over here, bro. Wait him the day now, me try call man and get him.
Oh.
Cesar, supposed to pick up something for him. I put both here in front of you. Yeah.